Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to delete your Tinder account. So let's dive in. First, open Tinder on your mobile device. Then go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up your profile section from where you can update your personal informations. After you're in your profile section, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down until you see logout, and right after logout you'll see an option called delete account. Go ahead and tap on it. You can either pause your account, which is like temporarily deleting your account, or tap on delete my account to permanently delete your account. And that's it. Now you guys know how to delete your Tinder account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.